Hey there, Crunchified Clean friends. If you like to see water dumps, here's my version of a water dump with a flat mop. So the difference with flat mops is you just take off the dirty mop pad, put it in a wet bag so you can wash it later. Or if it's at home, put it in like a laundry hamper or something. And then put down a new one and then continue mopping. So you're actually just washing the mop pads. You're not really dumping gallons of dirty water into a clean toilet. You're not wasting so much water either because you're just using like your squirt bottle, squirt, and spray down what you need to clean up the floor, and you pre-wet your mop pad before you start. So what I did in this video is I mopped this amazing, beautiful floor. They don't normally wear shoes in the house, so you'll see that it wasn't super dirty. That's also very important for maintaining clean floors, is don't wear shoes in your house. And you could see there's still dirty water that comes out. So the floor's still a little dirty. And there you go. There's your water dump of dirty water. And then that cloth will now be washed. And now they have Crunchified clean floors. Easy peasy with mop pads. Use my link down below to get 15% off your first order of mop pads and mops and so much more.